Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys adaptive brightness, how to on in Tecno phone. Friends, you want to on guys your phone adaptive brightness setting. So guys, what is adaptive brightness and guys how to use in Tecno mobile? Today friends I am going to show you in this video. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon. So friends, now let's see how to on adaptive brightness Tecno mobile. Open your phone setting, and once you can see guys this type of settings. So when you will have to click on guys your phone display and brightness. So guys we will click on display and brightness. Then guys you can see guys second option is adaptive brightness, and guys now you can check guys your brightness level. Like my brightness level is 100%. Okay friends, so I will on guys adaptive brightness from here. After on guys you can see brightness level will decrease 84, 86. So like that guys, we call it guys adaptive brightness, means your our phone brightness will increase and decrease automatic. So we call it adaptive brightness, and guys you want to on, you want to use, so you can use from here. Bye guys.